What's up, everybody? I'm back. Been getting a lot of people saying, oh, we miss you doing the tutorials. We miss you doing your hair videos. Listen, as you can see, that lets you know how long I've been gone because I have locks now. And June 8th will be my 1-year lock anniversary. Normally I let my cousin retwist my hair, but if I don't do it, it won't get done, not this week at least, because I have to do hair. If you don't know by now, I am a lot's happened. I am now a licensed natural hairstylist, and I am also a licensed barber. So I've gotten 2 licenses in this last year and some change. Since you've seen me, I started natural hair school in, I think, April of, no. Yeah, I think it's right. I think April of 2021. No. Yeah. I started natural hair school in April of 2021. I finished in July of 2021. I also was concurrently in barber school. I started barber school in May of 2021. I got my license for natural hair in September of 2021, and then I just got my barber license in April of 2022. So that's what's been happening. I am officially double L'd up on a Sunday. When you see this, I don't know. June 8th, I'll be 1 year locks. I got my locks. I started my locks the day after I finished natural hair school. So June 7th was my last day of natural hair school. June 8th, I went and started my locks. My intention was to take a picture every month. Time just gets away. I would say my hair is probably the length that it was when I had just regular natural hair. So that's pretty cool. My edges are still weird. This is not what this video is supposed to be about, but here it is. Maybe I can do a 2-in-1. I don't know. But they were weird when I had regular natural hair as well. I'm just gonna show y'all why I say that they're weird. Okay, so these are the locks that are all around my edges. Okay, you have this one, it comes to about right here. Then you have this one that comes here. Then you have this one that comes here. So these are kind of short. These are kind of short. But then I have this long one. I just never understood, like, what is that about? And then you have these kind of, like, I would say regular length ones, where they're supposed to be. And then kind of like a little below the regular length ones. I don't know. So my edges, they do their own thing, but the rest of them I say are, where they need to be. I come in the club shaking my tray. I don't know. Don't ask me why I started them. Don't ask me, I don't know. My intention initially was to focus on locks are natural hair, duh. But I thought I was gonna be doing a lot of like natural hair services, because that's what my license is in, twists and updos and back twists and braids and blah, blah. And then I got one lock client, and then I got another and another. And my main clientele now is just locks. Nothing wrong with it. And so just from not really having much time, I got mine started. And typically I do a retwist. I get a retwist every 4 to 6 weeks. But my last retwist was actually before my birthday, which was March. My birthday was March 29th, but my last retwist was March 23rd. So today is the Sunday before June 8th. You do the math. So yeah, it's been a long time coming. I got some new growth up in here. Look at that. I don't know why it looks like that. I don't know. Oh, probably because I just need to open it up. Dirt. That's why it looks like that. God made it. It don't hurt. Kind of might do a little product review. Kind of might not. I don't know. I'm going to flash the stuff up here as I use it. But don't hold me to it if you don't hear me talking about it. I'm just using products that I have at the house. So yeah. If you want to see me attempt to retwist my hair, then stay tuned. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair with Ajax. So that's what I used to clarify with. You clarify, then you moisturize, you know? I'm gonna go in. I've never used this. You remember, you can't even see it. This whole shelf used to be full of products. It's so much stuff I never used, and then I decided to lock my hair, so now I just have abundance of shit, okay? So I'm gonna use this. It's okay to wash your locks, guys. But hey, do what you do. Don't let nobody tell you wait 6 months before you wash your locks. Don't you do that. Okay. Can y'all tell I'm bored? Like, can you tell I ain't did a video in a minute? But Alpha could never, okay? And I'm pretty sure I got all the buildup out, which is great because, you know, my locks don't normally be having buildup like that. Oh yeah, I can't see now. Oh yeah. Okay. I don't really think I even really need this. But not too much now. Y'all follow Erica Kane on TikTok? And she say, excuse my dogs. I also bought some Dobermans, okay? Since y'all last saw me. Excuse them. It's okay to condition your locks. You don't have to. I'm not saying that. I always tell people, you don't have to, just not too much. Just don't be crazy with it. Hush! Kids. Even dog kids. They always embarrassing. They always embarrassing you. All you saw me pour in is all that I'm pour in my hand is all that I'm gonna use. Don't keep this in for an hour. Don't keep it in for 2 hours. Don't keep it in for 2 days. I know you natural hair people. I know y'all. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. This leave-in, I've been using pretty religiously. So even though I haven't had it, this is my first time using the shampoo and conditioner, I use this pretty faithfully. So, just spray that in. If I'm at the shop, I use like aloe vera juice or I use rose water. Those work really well too. But this is what I have at my home. I'm kind of gonna part my hair off to do the retwist. Ooh, damn. Ooh, damn. Ooh, hold up, not the retwist. Ooh, it's giving ponytail. Whoo, let you know I've been gone a minute. Locks long enough to put in the ponytail. You know, life happens, guys. So life don't happen for you? Okay. That's what we doing? Okay. If you ain't get a new trade or, you know, invest in some or get you some money during the panty, early on in the panty, sorry for you. So this is what I use to retwist. It's only gonna be so perfect because I'm doing it and not cuz-o. Okay, that's all you're getting right now because ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so these are the finished results of me retwisting my own hair. It's not as precise as I would like for it to be, but for me to have done it myself, we'll take it. Got my little edges laid down, you know. But yeah, here are the parts. Here are the parts. I don't want to get too close because, like I said, it ain't exactly how I would like for it to be. How y'all think I did? How y'all think I did? You tell me, you know. Y'all like this video? I know it's been a long time. I can't promise they're going to be consistent like they used to be. You might not get 2 or 3 full-length videos a week like you used to back in the gap, okay? But I might start doing retwist videos. You just never know with me, okay? Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!